Hey guys, Ajax22, and got the Law Tactical adapter stripped and assembled onto the lower. As you can see, the tone of the aluminum when it comes out of the chemical bath is a lot shinier and brighter than after it's been kicking around for a while. It gets that more of a satin finish eventually. But yeah, it looks pretty sexy on there. Also stripped the anodizing off of the buffer tube and the spacer. So yeah, it's coming along nice. Might need a little blending, teensy bit, and some filing. Looks a little machiny, a little less casty, which you know, could be a thing from an aesthetic standpoint. I really want it to look right for the time period, but as you can see, it's coming along. Still need to figure out the butt plate situation. I really don't know that I like the Law Tactical words on the side, but it folds up. Looks pretty good. Snaps out. You know, if I can snap it out without making a big mess one-handed. Yeah. Getting there. Now I just need to track down everything for the upper and a bunch of retro parts for the lower. So, how hard could that be? Just a matter of throwing large sums of money at it and tracking down the really hard to come by old school hardware. If you guys know of anybody that sells the old screw type no gate hardware, I could really use some. Just let me know where it is and I'll go run off and get it. And the aluminum butt plate. Really could use the aluminum butt plate. So if you know anybody that has, you know, casting facilities in Los Angeles or Utah, I could really use one, or a CNC setup that we can bust out, or the file for it, or, you know, I'm looking for options, so help would be appreciated. It's coming right along. Upper looks pretty good on there too. And then the barrel's just mocked up. We still gotta machine the barrel to the spec that's needed, but I think the next thing that I'm going to be able to do easily is get the Ironwood designs stock on order for the hand guards and for the pistol grip. If somebody knows about the little retro style pins, etc., that would be useful. I'm also looking for a good source for the M14 sights for the front and rear, and I haven't contacted Colt yet out of Canada about the front sight base, but it's on the list to do. But yeah, coming along. I really like the way this is coming together. It's a tiny bit clunky with that little bulge out. One thing that might be worth doing on this is actually taking the old stock, the old plastic stock, and a sanding disc and just putting it on and trying to blend it down a little bit. It's not horrible though. I mean, it's really not horrible. So you know, it could be worse. Could be a lot worse. The plastic discs, little shims here, are gonna have to go. But that's an easy thing to replace. But yeah, it's coming along. It's dangerously close to starting to look like something. Yeah. Need to get the upper put together, get the barrel profiled, etc. And I need to get some form of a hands-free filming thing because this is getting really old, really fast. But yeah, remember the this is where the front sight base, we're going to keep the rifle length gas system. So that's where the front sight base is going to sit. Front of the front sight base, flash hider, so right about there. Nice compact wood triangle handguards, scallop the top, have the exposed, probably want to do the LMG style heavy gas tube just because, unless we want to make one ourselves that's finned and custom and sexy. And then heavy barrel profile all the way out to here with Thompson style finning. Coming along. Really kind of liking how the aesthetic's going so far. When all the aluminum's worn a little better, it'll have a little bit more of a uniform look to it. Plus I still have to work this over with files, blend it a little. Anyway, that's where things are at, and it's looking pretty good. So I'll get back to it. Thanks.